Hey guys, today I'm going to talk about my daily skincare routine. First of all, my skin is oily, and how do I know it's oily? I have oil spots down the center, I have open pores, comedons, and I have a lot of post-acne scars. So I start my routine by removing my makeup. I either use a cleansing milk or a baby oil, and I follow it with our neem and tea tree face wash. Not only does it remove the excess oil, but it also helps to tame any further breakouts and prevents blackheads. I use this in the morning when I get up, as well as after removing my makeup. Secondly, I use the Aromatic Skin Toner. It comes in two variants and various sizes. We have the flip top, and then we have the pump. So I'm going to show you how I use it with the flip top. Open the flip top like this. Take cotton, take dry cotton, because if it's wet cotton, you're going to dilute the toner, and you're going to put a little bit here. And we're going to start by dabbing it onto the skin. Why I say dab and not swab? Because it tends to go into the pores to help constrict the pores. Okay. Alright. The second variant that I use is the pump variant. Here it is. It's the pump. It fits very handily into the bag. You can carry it anywhere you want. And what I do is I also use this to freshen my face during the day. So it's like a top up at this distance. And alright. Then I follow it with the Vitamin C Lightening Gel. Now this is a 2-in-1, it's a moisturizer as well as SPF. So I use this during the day just before I put on my makeup, and it's very light and it suits all skin types. So it does have antioxidants in it as well as AHA to help me with my pigmentation and my post-acne scars. Now for the night variant, I do the same thing. I remove my makeup, my face wash, my toner, and instead of using the Vitamin C Lightening Gel, I use the Hydrating Seaweed pack. I take a good generous amount on my hand, and I usually put 1 drop of our tea tree essential oil because of my acne. If on that particular day I do find redness on my face, I use a lavender oil as well. I suggest applying it at least half an hour before going to sleep, so that it has a chance to actually work on the skin. Otherwise you're going to toss around the whole night and it's just going to be a topical application. So that's it for today. That's my daily skincare routine, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.